Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a unboxing, and obviously if it's not makeup, it's gonna be food. So today's gonna be a Degustabox unboxing, and it's the November box. I got this box yesterday and today is Wednesday, so I'm doing it the next day. I normally like to do them very quickly so you guys can see what's coming in the box. But if you already ordered the box and it's on the way, if you do not want to, spoil, the fun of finding out for yourself, you don't have to watch this video. But I like to do this because people always want to try out new things. So if you have never tried any subscription boxes, I really advise you guys to do your research, try out the ones that suit you. And the Degustabox definitely suit me, and I've been doing this now for maybe almost a year now. I've been getting the Degustabox. I really love this box, and everything you get in the box, you get 10 to 12 items every month for a good price. You always get your money's worth in this box, and I'll make sure that I leave all the links down below for this box. So we're just gonna jump right in because I don't want to make it a long video. I always like to talk too much when the products are out, so I didn't want to jump it too much. I just want to show you guys the product, tell you how much it costs, and then that will be it. So we're gonna cut open this box, and we're doing a sit down today. I always like to stand up and do the videos, but it's cold and I want to rest. I've been up too early this morning, so I'm just opening it up. And you should always get your box sealed. It's always going to be packaged like this. And there's a seal right here. You're the one that has to break it. I think if it's already been broken or tampered with, you definitely can tell the Degustabox, and you should be able to get another box. So we're going to open that little seal. Okay. So I do not want to look too much because I like to make this a surprise. But yeah, this is, we got 2 recipes this time. So this is November festive box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for Christmas and what they're going to be giving me. So I think December is going to be 1 year. So I've never tried any Christmassy stuff from the Degustabox. I'm so excited. So this is what it says. November Degustabox festive. And you also get 2 recipes at the back. I'm not sure if it's getting washed out right now. You always get recipes, and you also get coupons and discounts for any of the products that you want to try out in the supermarket. So we have veggie curry and lentil cottage. So these are all like vegetarian or vegan kind of recipes, so that's good. And then we also got some more leaflets in here. As I was saying, that you get coupons off and stuff like that to try in store. We're going to just jump right into it because I see some goodies. So first I see Emily Veggie Crisp sweet potato sticks, and these are with sea salt. And these look really good. Vegan friendly as well. Let me try one. Gluten free, vegan friendly. Oh, so hard. Oh, I just have to rip it. Oh, they look like this. Oh my god. Oh, they've got different colors. They're like plantain chips. Oh my. These are so good. Oh my gosh. These are £1. I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna eat the. Oh, we got another pack. This one is chili and lime. Oh my gosh, these are from me. I love them already. They taste so good. These Emily Veggie Crisps are so good. Wow. This one is not vegan friendly, by the way. Oh yeah, this one's vegan, okay. Because it didn't say at the top like the other one, but it says gluten free and vegan. So, oh, they do say to tear here. I guess you can't really open it at the top, you have to tear the side. Thank you. Next we have, oh, we got something like from this company last time in our box. And it's almond thin and Belgian chocolate biscuits. From that company. They're some really good biscuits. Like last time we got some buttery biscuits and they're so good. So I can't wait to try these ones. And these ones are £2.19. Their stuff are really good, so I guess it's really worth it. Next we got Amy's Kitchen lentil veggie curry. Okay, so this is where that comes in. We got a tin of curry soup. Sorry, organic lentil vegetable soup. I'm saying curry soup. Vegetable soup. And it's gluten free, low fat. This sounds good. And that was £1.80. So you have a choice of getting a tomato one or a vegetable one, lentil veggie one. So I really love lentils actually. I do not really like tomato soup, so I'm really glad I got this one. Next I see something for the kids. Oh, Weetabix on the go kids strawberry. Oh, that's so cool. Kids are definitely going to try this. I'm going to make them try it right now actually. It's got vitamin D, protein, fiber and calcium. So let me see what these look like. Oh, so they're little packs of Weetabix juice. These are so good. This is a good idea actually. There's like strawberry flavored as well, so the kids would definitely like that. If anything, I'll just give it to my oldest son because he's going high school, so he always needs some breakfast and stuff on the go, you know, busy times, cold times right now. That is £2.99 for that pack. Ooh, that's actually good. So, oh, we got two of them. So we got the tomato soup as well. And as I said before, that is £1.80. Next, we have Callo. I've got some Callo's stock cubes as well, but they gave me some more. And these are gluten-free stock cubes, organic veggies, Callo veggies pots, like little pots. But I haven't tried their veggie ones, so this is a good one to try out because I have the normal ones, but not the veggie ones. And these are suitable for vegetarians, vegans, organic and gluten-free. So that one, I always like having gravy and stock pots at home. Is £1.80 for that one as well. So they're quite reasonable, and you get 4 of them in there, so that's good. And next we have Nick's Coconut. Ooh, Nick's Coconut is like a chocolate bar. That's what it looks like, a little chocolate bar. And it says coconut bar. So coconut chocolate bar, and that is £1.45. Wow, it's kind of expensive, but you get a discount from Degustabox. You get 20% off if you want to buy another chocolate from them, so that's quite good. Next we have, oh, I just finished a Jack Daniel lemonade, and now they gave me another one. So this is Jack Daniel mixed with light cola. Last month they gave us was it the month before? Last month they gave us 2 Jack Daniels with lemonade, and I really loved it, so I can't wait to try this one out. It's only 5% by the way. And that one is £2. So you have a cola and a light cola. Oh, they gave me 2 again. So we have a cola in the box. Thank you so much, Degustabox. These come in so handy. And so we have a light one and a cola one, so depends on your choice. We have both. Next we have something sparkling, and it's alcohol free, so that's good because we just had 2 beers, alcohol Jack Daniel thingies. And this is grape juice with green tea. Ooh, that sounds good. So it wrapped up nicely like that. The Degustabox is quite good with wrapping up their stuff. And these is This one is called the Bee's Knees. So the Bee's Knees non-alcoholic sparkling drink is £1.89, and as you know, a lot of times without the alcohol, it's got low sugar and it's a lot more better for us. So if you want to cut down on alcohol, you can definitely try alcohol free. There's a lot of options out there right now. Ah, this is so nice. It's ready for Christmas. It's Reese's Peanut Butter Snowman. Oh, this is so cute. I could definitely wrap this up and give it to one of my kids for Christmas. Or maybe I keep it for myself. I don't know. But I really, really like Reese's Peanut because I love peanut butter. It's one of my favorite things. And it's a little snowman. So ain't that such a great idea? Thanks so much, Degustabox, for making us get into the Christmas spirit, you know. Okay, lastly, in the box, we have a Tabasco sauce, and it's a pepper sauce. They gave us a Tabasco sauce last time. It was a green sauce. Oh my gosh, it was so good. The jalapeno one is really good. And the Degustabox make us try so many things that I've never really think of trying in the supermarket. So this is really a good one because I've never really bought this one either. So thank you so much for introducing these things to me, because it comes in very handy and it tastes very good in my food. And these are different things you can do with these sauces. So yeah, really like that. And that one was £2 for the original red pepper sauce. Woo! So that's everything I got in this month's box. I'm really excited because I know I'm going to eat everything in this month's box. It's similar to last month's box. I ate almost everything out of it except the lemon tea. I haven't tried the lemon tea yet. But I think everything in this box I'm definitely going to be trying. And I hope you guys will try it too. Make sure to look out for the link below if you want to try out a box from the Degustabox. And yeah, get some Christmas goodies and enjoy all these little treats, you know. It's so worth it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye guys.